2.04 Venn diagrams. Objective, students will interpret data from a Venn diagram and calculate probability. And here's our agenda, very similar to all the other ones. Model A. So highlight the outline of the sample space. So our sample space is all the possible outcomes. And shade in the region represent the desired event. So sample space is all the different ones, and then we're going to only pick one to find the probability of. And then find the probability. So probability of pepperoni. So this looks like a pizza question. Get my highlighter out. Okay, so the sample spaces are, we have a pepperoni option. All right. We also have a veggie option. And then we also have a pepperoni and veggies. Oops, right in here. And then finally we have neither, which I guess would be considered a cheese pizza. And that's down here on the outside. So, what is the probability that we have a pepperoni pizza, or someone wants a pepperoni pizza? Well, we have 23 pepperonis. So I'm going to shade that in. Oops, wrong button. There's my highlighter. So pepperoni is in here. Oh, wrong color. Oh well. This should be yellow. So we have 23 pepperonis over how many students? Well, 23, 12, 5, and 12. 12 and 12 is 24. 24 plus 23 is 47. 47 plus 5 is 52. So we have 23 over 52, and we cannot simplify that. 23 is a prime number. So that is our answer. So same question down here for a veggie, which is the same numbers. So we already know what our denominator is going to be. It's going to be 52. Well, what is the amount of veggies? We have 5 veggie only. So it'll be 5 over 52. And 5 does not go 52, and 5 is a prime number. So that's our answer, 5 over 52. Next question. Okay, so same numbers all again. These are all the same numbers. So pepperoni and veggie. This is the both option, so that's the one that's in the middle. What do we have? We have 12. So 12 over, what was the answer on the denominator before? It's 52? Yeah. So we have 12 over 52. Well, these are both even numbers, so we can divide them both by 2. And we'll get 6 over 26. And those are still both even, so we can divide both by 2 again, so we would get 3 over 13. And the here is a mistake. I'll fix that because of my OCD-ness. There we go. There you go. So our final answer is 3 over 13. And then finally, neither pepperoni nor veggie. So we know that number is down here on the bottom, 12. Oh, it's actually the same exact as pepperoni and veggie. So over 52, and we know how to simplify it now. It is 3 over 13. And one last question. Actually, no, there's another thing after that. Pepperoni or veggie. This is not both, this is or. So we're going to have to add the 23 plus the 5, which is 28 over 52. Both are even, so we can divide by 2. We get 14 over 26. And they're still both even, so divide by 2 again, we get 7 over 13. Now, this is supposed to be a classmate question where we ask all of you guys if you like Coca-Cola or if you like Pepsi, both, or neither. So I just fill these numbers in. I just put random numbers. So 14 like Coca-Cola, 7 like both Coca-Cola and Pepsi, 9 like Pepsi only, and then 6 students do not like either. So we're going to find the probability of these 5 different things in here. I'm going to grab this and delete it. The student likes Coca-Cola. Well, that's going to be 14. It's right here. And we have how many students? 14 plus 6 is 20. 7 and 9 is 16. So 20 plus 16 is 36. They're both even, so we can divide by 2. 7 over 18. I could have just, I'm going to do something different this time. Oops. Because we have space issues in here. Oops. Equals 7 over 18. And that will be our answer right there. Okay, next one. The student likes Pepsi. So Pepsi is 9. 9 over our students, which we have 36. Both these can be divided by 9, so we get 1/4 equals 1/4. Student likes both Coca-Cola and Pepsi. That's in the middle, so that's 7 over 36. And we cannot simplify that. Because 7 is prime, and 7 does not go into 36. 2 more. Student does not like Coca-Cola or Pepsi. We have a 6 for that one. Usually this number's down here in the bottom right on most of these Venn diagrams, but I put it up top because that's where the words were. So 6 over 36. Both can be divided by 6, so we get 1 over 6. And finally, what is this one? Student likes Coca-Cola or Pepsi. So that's going to be 14 or 9. So that's 23 total over 36. And as I said before, 23 is a prime number and 23 does not divide into 36. So those are our answers.